Smart shopping strategies.
Plan your meals for the week and make a detailed grocery list before heading to the store. Sticking to your list helps avoid impulse buys. Shop seasonal produce, which is often cheaper and fresher. Consider buying generic or store brands, as they're usually less expensive but just as nutritious. Check for sales, discounts, or coupons on staple healthy foods to maximize savings over time.
Budget-friendly meal prep.
Prepare meals in batches to save both money and time. Cooking large portions lets you buy ingredients in bulk, which is typically more economical. Portion out leftovers for lunches and dinners throughout the week. This approach not only cuts food waste, but also reduces the temptation to order takeout, keeping your meals nutritious and affordable.
Affordable protein sources.
Focus on cost-effective protein options like beans, lentils, eggs, canned fish, and tofu. These foods are nutritious, filling, and generally more budget-friendly than fresh meat or poultry. Incorporate such proteins into stews, salads, or grain bowls for meals that are both healthy and economical. Stretch animal proteins by mixing them with vegetables and grains.
Reduce food waste.
Store food properly to extend its shelf life. Freeze leftovers, ripe fruits, or vegetables before they spoil. Get creative with scraps. Use vegetable stems for smoothies or make broths from chicken bones and veggie peels. Regularly check your pantry and fridge to use up items before they expire, saving money and reducing unnecessary waste.
Grow and DIY when possible.
Start a small herb garden at home, even on a windowsill, to save on buying fresh herbs. Make your own salad dressings, granola, or snacks. Homemade versions are often cheaper and healthier than store-bought. Simple do-it-yourself projects can cut costs over time and give you control over ingredients, ensuring your meals are both budget-friendly and nutritious.